A personal injury claim is a claim against a third party for negligence. There's no contractual relationship. So if you slip and fall on a person's property, on a parking lot, and you break an ankle or you break a hip, you're suing the occupier of those premises for negligence. When you're talking about a disability claim, it's a contractual claim. You're suing under a contract, whether it's a group policy or an individual policy, and you're suing for benefits that you say are payable under the policy. In a negligence claim, you're suing for personal injury, you're suing for damages for pain and suffering, and potentially, any out-of-pocket expenses you've incurred, and perhaps a loss of income. So, one, you're suing the tortfeasor, the responsible party, directly. You're not suing their insurer. Their insurer may step in and defend them, but your claim is not against their insurer, whereas on a disability claim, you are suing your insurer under contract. And so when you go to court, it's going to be plaintiff versus ex-insured. When you sue on a negligence claim, it's going to be plaintiff versus defendant property owner, who will then go to their insurance company, and their insurance company will defend them, but you don't get to sue their insurance company because you have no privity of contract with them. You could have both. If you slipped and fell on somebody's property, and as a result you couldn't work, you potentially could be suing the tortfeasor for a loss of income, but you could also be making a claim under your disability policy because you suffered from an accident or injury, and that injury prevents you from performing the regular duties of your own job for the first 2 years or any job thereafter. So yeah, you could sue in both instances. If you sued the tortfeasor and you got damages for pain and suffering, that's not something that the disability insurer could take into consideration. If you were getting compensated for a loss of income, then you'd have to go back to the policy and take a look and see, is that a direct offset or an offset from your disability benefits? So the idea is that you would unlikely be compensated twice for that aspect of it. But suing on a personal injury claim for pain and suffering is separate. You don't have a claim under a disability policy for pain and suffering. Your claim under a disability policy is for disability benefits.